Alright, so for those of you that have been following along, you know that a couple months ago we got a pot-bellied pig for the winter. We've been keeping them in a pen in the kennel area. Now that the weather's starting to get nice, we're going to go ahead and repurpose our garden here. We wanted to move it to another area, so we're just going to take this area, turn it into the pig pen. So today we're going to start off, we're going to pull the walkway out of here, probably take the fence down and move that around a little bit. And then I've got some 1x boards to put along the bottom to try and keep them in. Pigs are pretty good at breaking out of their pens, so we just got to make sure we build that up strong enough. See how far we can get today. Hopefully we can get him outside into his new pen here pretty soon. Alright, so we got all the gravel picked up from in there. Actually went a lot quicker than I thought it would. Next up, we're gonna start picking up these white stones and stacking those up. We got a project for later on this spring or early this summer that we're gonna use all this stuff for. So we'll just go ahead and stack that up, get it out of the way for now, and then start taking the fence down and rearranging it for the pig kennel. Got all the rocks moved, got the gravel up, got the weed barrier down. Next up, I'm going to start taking down the metal fence and start pulling T-posts up and moving those around. We got everything ripped up. Got that walkway out of the garden. Got all the rocks moved. Got the fence down and the T-post down. Got some things we need to do this afternoon, so I think we're gonna call it a day here. Tomorrow afternoon, maybe we'll start putting the post back in and reinforcing it a little bit for the pig and try and get at least the outside of the fence done. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do for a gate and stuff like that. But if we can get the fence back up, that'd be awesome.